Welcome friends, welcome to Junkin' and Janine, and I am today going to show you how I photograph my jewelry. So I have this light box right here, which is really kind of cool. You can take photos from the top as well as from the front and get some different perspectives. Now you can zoom in like so and get some really good lighting. You can use backdrops like this blue one that I have in here, or you can just take those out easily, like so. Okay. There we go. So now I just have my white one in there. So I can do a flat lay. We'll go in on top and we can zoom in. So we could zoom in if we were taking a picture. I don't like how white looks on white, so that's why I had the blue one in there. So let's take a look and see what happens when we put our velvet in there. I like this also. I think that the light just absorbs differently with a different background. So I really like that also. Let me zoom out so you can see the full thing. And then of course what I do is I use my photo room to edit my photos and crop out all that background, but it gives it really good light. This box my son bought for me for Mother's Day or my birthday one year, and it hooks with little lights, comes with it all strapped in, little lights in the front and the back, and uses a little USB cord, and I just plug it into a USB block, and I get some really good lighting. So it also comes with these other colors that you can use for backgrounds inside that box, as well as a little carrying case. I'm going to put a link below in case you're interested in buying one. I'll make it easy for you. I also have some of my tools really handy here. I've got my handy dandy loupe, and I've got my handy dandy rare earth magnet, and my jewelry displays that I use as well. So I hope that you enjoyed this. I have one more tool to show you, and that is one that I am absolutely in love with, and that is my lanyard iPhone holder. I can basically drop the iPhone, pick it back up because it's hanging around my neck. So I can adjust some jewelry here. I can adjust it with both hands, and then I just pick it up. I don't have to set my phone down, I just drop it. So I'm gonna insert a video here, a photograph right here of me wearing the lanyard so you can take a look at what that looks like. And I'm so excited about that. It's a game changer, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this short video. I sell on Poshmark, Facebook Marketplace, a few other places, and I also have an Instagram at JunkinJanine1. So if you follow me, I do some live sales over there. I'd love to see you. I'm trying to build my tribe. So don't forget to, subscribe, like, and ding the little red bell. Actually, I think it's gold bell, so you get updated of all my new videos. So thanks again for tuning in, guys. Hope you have some great sales today. Bye-bye.